Looks like just a clump of mud, but really, a clump of mud is a spruce hen. AKA,
spruce grouse?
Yeah, spruce grouse, but they're not the smartest birds in the world. You can pretty much almost walk right up to them and grab them. But hey everybody, this is Jen from an Alaskan Crafter. How's everybody doing today? We're home. Today was our Wednesday to babysit little man, and he is, oh my gosh, y'all. He is crawling. He's pulling himself up on everything. And he has a pretty wicked diaper rash right now. He was really sick, ended up on some antibiotics, and we know what those do. So he's eating yogurt and obviously got, as we call it, butt cream. And but that doesn't stop him a bit. He has his naked time to help dry out everything, and you kind of follow him around with a little towel. We only had one little mistake, but anyway, you're not here to hear about little man. So, I have not been doing much of anything. My Crojo kind of, doing this. Starting tomorrow, we will definitely be buckling down for our camping trip this coming weekend. And some relaxed time with some good friends. So what I have to show you is my Amanda, and unfortunately I'm really bad about putting progress keepers up. But this is my Amanda Feel Good Shawl, and I want to say that I don't know. I think maybe I was somewhere around in here. But here I am. I love this yarn. We'll see how I feel about it when it gets into the olive green. Yeah, there's my Manda Panda shawl, and I showed you guys the yarn a while ago, and that's kind of what it is. It is sheepjeez, and however it's pronounced, sheepjeez whirl, and it doesn't have a color on it. Let's see here. For the hashtag tanks and teas, I have most of my first panel done. I decided to do most of the panel in this navy, and then I have some like heather gray in the same yarn to do for, like part of the boobies on up. Part of the ladies on up. So I have that done along with this much of the second panel. And I think this panel is a little bit wider, and that's okay. This will be the back panel. And I do like a little more ease than what most people do, because I'm fluffy and I don't like to necessarily accentuate my fluff. And that's that. Nothing else to share other than this is, I got this from Nancy at, she's got yarn too for Christmas this year. And I thought I'd set him up on my chair. He's weighted, so it's I do the penguin. Hi guys. Hey Drew. Anyhow, so that's that. I hope you enjoyed the little bit of bird in the beginning, and my little share of Little Man, and most of all, my projects. Anyway, it is Wednesday. I hope everybody's week is going well. And take care. We'll see y'all soon. Bye now.